Hi, so my name is Alicia Kaysen. I'm here to display our Phase 3 for my CozyGame DMS. This is a Phase 3 of the DMS project. It implements a full GUI or GUI for managing a CozyGame library with crew applications and custom calculations. So as we go through here, this is for my Cozy palette. I made it like a matcha and strawberry pink. This is just, we got the window set up here. We have our display. Now, originally I had 7 columns, but I did add an 8th column. As I made it in the notes, I added it for a better function. I think it was better for the calculations for our average comfy score. Well, not comfy score, but average like game process altogether. So as we continue to go on, more of those features are set in like the strawberry pink and just making it look a little bit more in that cozy feel. Then we have our sidebar and how it's going to be laid out. I have some text and some like little emojis here to make it a little bit more creatively fun. And then we're setting just the dimensions, making everything look neat, nice, neat, and clean. Then we have our action listeners here. And our handle load all here. And again, this is that calculations that the reason I added the 8th column instead of the 7 columns I originally had. Yep. Our game forms. More setting up those buttons to fit, to look nice. So also I had imported, Java onto a scanner because we had to do some input. Java AOT, swing, because I decided to use swing here. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. So this is, I'm going to bring it so we can see a little bit better. So this is our little system, and I'm just going to load up the text file that we already had in phase 2. So I'm just going through my folders here. And as you can see, it has the 8 columns here. We're able to add a game. So, like, we could say 125 title. Just going to make up just test title. Press OK. And as we can see at the bottom, it added that in there. So we have our test. And then we should be able to highlight this and press remove. And it says, do you want to delete records? Yes, it should be gone. Right? We can also update any one of them. So if we press on one of this and we update, we can go ahead and update it. So instead of 95 hours, we can say 120. But then we see it updated as 120. Also, if we press on them, we'll get our Cozy score. So Cozy impact score, 45. You can do that on any one of those, which is why I added 82.40, which is kind of why I added the 5th, because I thought it flowed better than trying to calculate all of the games for average score how I originally had it. Thought it would be a little bit better. And then, of course, you have the exit program, which allows you to exit the program. So I hope this was a good display of my CozyGame GUI. Thank you.